In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror or flip the video screen in Capcut. If you've ever wanted to create a mirrored effect in your videos for a unique look, or maybe just wanted to fix an awkward camera angle, Capcut is the tool that can make this task easy and accessible. Now let's walk through the steps to achieve this effect. First, head on over to capcut.com. This is your starting point for all your video editing needs with Capcut's easy-to-use web interface. Once you're on the site, you'll need to select the canvas you want to work with. This step is important because it sets the stage for the rest of your editing. Picking the right canvas can depend on the platform you're using, so choose your canvas wisely to set your video up perfectly from the start. Next, you'll want to upload your video. Find the Upload option on your screen. Clicking this will guide you to the Upload File section. When you get there, it's time to upload the video you plan to edit. Simply click Upload File and select the video directly from your PC. It might take a second for your video to appear, and once it does, you'll see your uploaded video on the screen. After your video is uploaded, the next step is crucial. Click on the video you have just uploaded to start editing. This action brings your video into the workspace where you'll be doing the actual flipping process. Pay attention to the layout as your video gets loaded, as this will help you navigate the next steps with ease. Once your video is on the timeline, this is where the real magic starts. You're going to select the video directly from the timeline itself. This ensures that the changes you make will apply precisely to this footage without affecting any other elements that may be part of the editing project. Now, let's flip that video screen. You'll notice options available for editing, and among them is the flip horizontal option. Clicking on this will instantly mirror your video, creating that sought-after mirrored effect. Be sure to preview the effect and confirm that it's giving you the desired look.